Hey there, Tiffany Thomas with wealthytiffany.com, and in today's video I am going to show you how to make $10 online or using your phone. And before we dive in, make sure and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the little bell to get notified on when I post new videos. And if you guys are ready for financial freedom right now, comment freedom below in the comments. I want to know if you're ready. And don't forget to like and share this video. And if you guys really are serious about becoming financially free, make sure and click the link below this video in the description, because I share exactly how I have been able to make my money work for me in the easiest way possible. And I want to share that with you. Okay, so let's dive in, and I am going to share how you can make $10 online or by using your phone. And this is through a website called BeFrugal. And I'll do a little tutorial for you in just a moment, but let me tell you a little bit about it. It is a free website, and you can just register with your email or with your Facebook account if you would like. And all you do is register with my referral link, which will be below this video in the description, and you will be able to get $10. And all you need to do is shop through this website, just your normal online shopping that you would do. Maybe you shop at Amazon or Kohl's. There's tons of different stores, and I'll show you that in just a minute. But all you do is go to this website, log into your account, do your normal shopping, and then you get cash back. And once you reach $10 in cash back, then you'll get a free $10 if you use my referral link below. And they give you a full year in order to get that $10 in cash back, so you should be able to easily do that. And yeah, it's super simple. Just do your normal online shopping, and you can do it either on your computer or on your phone, because they have an app as well. Or if you would just want to use the website on your computer, you can do it either way. And I will go ahead and show you the actual website. All right, here is the website for BeFrugal. And once you have clicked on my referral link and entered your email address, then you will come to this page, which shows you all of the stores and all of the deals that BeFrugal has right now. And it's really easy to use. So you just come to the BeFrugal website and you click on whatever store you want to, whatever store you want to be shopping at. And then you simply make your purchase and then you get paid. So it's super easy. Let me just show you an example. Maybe we want to buy something at Shoe Carnival and it shows 10% cash back. It was 5%, but now they're doing 10%. So you just click on that, and you can just click over here at Shop Now, or if there's some other coupon you want, they do have coupons available. So you just click on Shop Now, it opens up a new tab, and then it pulls up Shoe Carnival. You do your shopping, make the purchase, and then you'll get paid in your BeFrugal website. And you can have your money either deposited into your bank account, so you can do a direct deposit, or you can do a gift card, which is kind of nice if you'd rather have a gift card. And then you can also do your PayPal account or a check. So plenty of options to get paid. And in order to get the $10 referral, you'll need to at least earn $10 in cash back within a year. So they give you 365 days to earn $10 in cash back, which should be pretty easy. And then you can get the $10. And you'll also receive your own $10 link, so you can refer your own friends, and they get $10 and you'll get $10. So that's really nice. So there's, let's just go back to stores. There's plenty of stores in here, so plenty to choose from, and they show you the cash back that you'll get. So you can just kind of see, there's Ace Hardware, a lot of stores I actually haven't heard of, so plenty of options. There's Amazon, that's super popular. And if you're looking for something specific, you can just come here. Maybe you want to do women's apparel, and you can see all of the stores that they work with. These are the featured stores, and they have more. Victoria's Secret's one of them. It's pretty popular. Just Barn. Maybe you're looking for something in home and garden. Sears they work with. So plenty of different stores. Plus they give you coupons. You can click on coupons, and see what kind of coupons they have available. If you're interested in any of those, maybe you like to eat at Burger King, who knows? Anyway, plenty of options. And they have deals going on all the time, so you can do a specific deal and get extra cash back on certain items. They have restaurants. So as you can see, plenty of stores, plenty of options, and it's very easy to do. And there is an app as well if you don't want to use a computer. You can also download the app onto your phone and just shop through the app, so it makes it even easier. And if you click on the account summary, you can see what exactly you've clicked on. So they track it for you. So you can see recent shopping trips. You can see that I just went to the Shoe Carnival website, and that makes it easy, so you're making sure that this is actually working for you. So they're very transparent that way, which is super helpful. And if you click on payments, you can see right in here, you can get a check, and you just have to have at least $25 in order to get a check. Or if you want to do that direct deposit, you just need 1 cent in your account, and they can do a direct deposit, or you can do your PayPal, just enter your email address and they will send it to your PayPal account, and you just need 1 cent in your account for that. And they have extra offers at the bottom. So if you'd rather get paid with a gift card, maybe Walmart or Visa, that's another option as well. So plenty of options to get paid. And hopefully this little tutorial is helpful. You can see what it actually looks like online and kind of get a feel for how it works. Okay, hopefully that was helpful for you guys. And you can see exactly how BeFrugal works. You just simply log into your account, like I said, and click on whatever deals they have or whatever coupons you want to use, and you just do your normal shopping, and then they add money into your account, and you can either do that direct deposit, or you can do a check that is mailed to you, or you can do your PayPal account, or choose one of those gift cards that they have. Any of those options, you can get paid. So super easy to use, and you can also, if you use my referral link, you'll get that $10, that extra $10 in your account. And hopefully you found this helpful. If you did, make sure and like this video and share it with someone else who would find this helpful as well. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you guys, this still takes time, right, to make money. And if you're interested in making your money work for you so you can become financially free, I want you to click the link below this description, because I show you exactly how I have been able to do that, how I've been able to make my money work for me instead of trading time for dollars all of the time. Okay, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks.